This is Mystic C from Magic Vens Tarot, and this is your forecast for love. Who is coming next in your love life? Yes, friends. So, for this reading is for Cancers. If your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you also know a Cancer, you can cross watch it, friends, for them. Also, friends, please subscribe, like, and share our channel. Please, friends, do subscribe if you haven't already, and many, many angel blessings if you have already subscribed. Friends, these are general readings. They may resonate with you or they may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, these are timeless readings. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way or the other. So, friends, let us see. You can join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot, friends. Let us see Cancers, and to buy a personal reading, where are you going to go? On our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. Let us see Cancers. What is your overall energy? Let's see that for Cancers. Angels overall energy for Cancers. Two of Swords. Okay, the Five of Wands and the Sun and the Seven of Swords. Wow, there is a lot of I feel you are dealing with a twin flame relationship to Cancers. Maybe I don't know why I said Taurus. Maybe you are dealing with someone, or someone who is a Taurus is on your mind. On some of yours, some of you are thinking about a Taurus person. I feel definitely you may be feeling very confused regarding a relationship, and also someone has hurted you in the past, or some sort of a cheating or trickery that has happened. I also feel your question is whether you can trust somebody or not, and there has been a lot of conflict with someone about maybe it is internal conflict, Cancers, you are facing between your heart and mind. There is a push and pull. I feel there is a confusion going on. What is this confusion about? Maybe if you are confused about your twin flame or a partner, because you also have Sun. What is Cancers confused about, angels? What is the Two of Swords about? Definitely you're waiting and waiting. Someone has kept you waiting, Cancer. Definitely in your love life, or you are waiting. If you are really, really single, you are waiting, and you may be in double minds whether you will find someone or not, and even if you are ready for love or not. It's a lot of confusing energies and confusions, and you not able to see things as they are. But I feel that is the energy of the past. Something good is going to happen in your love life. You do have the Sun card, so definitely some good news or some positive growth is going to happen for you, Cancerians. Let us see who is coming towards you, Cancers. Let us see. I feel a divine match. Oh wow, someone who is perfect for you is coming towards you. This is the Six of Pentacles. Who is coming towards Cancers in love? Who is coming towards Cancers? Ace of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Definitely there is a relationship that has ended, I feel, and there will be a new beginning. Who is coming towards Cancers, angels? Who is coming towards Cancers? Okay, this card wants to come. Oops, my god, that was a strong jump. That is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, your own card. So maybe the person who is coming towards you, Cancer, is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel someone from your past is also thinking about you and they want to come towards you, or you are waiting for some justice with this situation also. Angels, who is coming towards Cancerians? I feel that person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus that you are dealing with from the past. Definitely there is a lot of past energy coming here. We have 10 of Pentacles and 7 of Wands also. I feel someone has not done you right, Cancers. You are waiting and waiting and waiting for this person to make a move towards you. I also feel it is this energy like, I also feel this is like someone is giving you crumbs, someone is not giving you a lot of their time, a lot of their attention, and it is making you frustrated. Or you feel like, if you are single, you feel like, life is unfair, love is unfair, God is not kind to you, they are not giving you the love you need. I feel there has been a very painful ending with this person. It could be your twin flame, it could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel there has been a painful ending, but that person is thinking about you and they want a new beginning with you. They want this Ace of Swords, this new beginning with you and mental clarity with you. They want to bring justice to this situation. I feel this person didn't do justice to you in the past. They stab you in the back because there is a lot of energy, and you might be feeling like you are still in love with this person, but you are still like in double minds whether to trust them again or not, because you have all those energy of waiting, questions, double mind. So you, this person may come back. This person may be from your past or someone you have an on and off relationship. This person comes in and goes out, or there are some arguments, difference of opinion happening with this person. I feel there will be a new breakthrough in this connection with between you and them. This person could be your twin flame also, I'm feeling, for some of you. I feel this person has been immature in the past, but now they are trying to mature up and do things right. They want to share this king of this cup of love with you. They want to move towards you. It could be a same sex relationship for some of you, for some of you, not for all of you. This person definitely is very possessive about you and they don't want to share you with anyone else. So I think that seems to be a problem also. Like, you know, they don't want to give you time, but they also don't want you to go to somebody else. So it is kind of like a uh, you know, it's kind of like you don't trust this person. Like, why is this person like this? Angels, clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Definitely this person has been immature. The Knight of Cups, the Six of Swords. I told you, this person has been immature and they really are obsessed about you, and they were not giving you their time. They were not being honest and just to you. They may have tricked you or made false promises to you. I feel they want to come back because they are very possessive about you and they do love you, and they feel they were foolish. They feel they were foolish in the past. They want to come towards you and make things right with you. I feel this person is from a different country or a religion. I feel they could be from I don't know why I'm getting Russia. Maybe they are from there or they have traveled sometimes there. Dubai, Russia, UAE. Sorry, friends, my throat is not so good today. I had been doing a lot of readings, so it's just that. I also feel when this person comes back, you may feel very defensive, even if you do not have someone from your past returning back. A new person who may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Taurus person can come towards you and will try to win you back, but I feel, or win you or try to sweep you, but I feel you will be very resistant to their offers. You will be taking your time. You are not going to accept anyone very quickly, Cancers, because you are like, nah, I have seen some things. I have been, you know, people have done me wrong, so I'll take my own sweet time now. Yeah, this is a soulmate connection. This is a beautiful friendship. This is a beautiful love connection, and there is love in this connection. And this person definitely sees you as a sunshine in their life, and definitely your love life is moving forward. So you can trust this person, but I think you will take your time. You will be like, yeah, I'm gonna take my own sweet time. Prove it to me. You are worthy of me. I feel this is a soulmate connection that for some of you, or this person feels like they don't know you are twin flames or something, but they do understand you are their soulmate. Let's see what other messages are coming from these cards for Cancers. Any other message for Cancers? Who is coming next for them? Healing begins, number 6. So this is also a 6 of Cups and a 6 of Swords and another 6. Healing begins. So definitely things are going to heal for you in your love life, or with a person from your past. If you are single, I feel things are going to, you know, your heart is going to heal. I don't know why all these cards came out. Rest and reconsider, third eye chakra, crown chakra. So definitely I feel again 6 6 6 7 7 7 6 6 7 7. Look at these cards, they are 6 6 7 7. Both are 6 cards, both are 7 cards, and there is 9 and there is 16. I feel like, things are healing in your connection, and your spiritual connection is growing. Someone's third eye is opening. I feel, Cancers, your third eye is going to open. And if this is your twin flame, you are going to connect with them more spiritually. I also feel they are sending you spiritual messages, or some sort of a spiritual message is coming your way regarding this relationship or clarity. I feel you are looking for clarity. What is this purpose of this relationship? Why they are in your life? All those questions, why they are doing this to me, why they stabbed me in the back, why they give me crumbs, why is this relationship imbalanced, what is the future? Those questions are on your mind, and you will get clarity coming very very soon to you about this connection. Seek the truth. I think you should, again, a number 7, so both are 7 again, so definitely it is time to see things just as they are, and I think that's what you are going to do. You are not going to be fooled by emotions, but by facts or actions of a person. Rest and reconsider. So definitely someone will make you, or will try to win you back, I feel, Cancers, but you will be taking your own sweet time to go back to them. Someone wants to build things. I feel you are working on building yourself, and someone else is trying. See, you are trying to build your career, and your focus is there. Your money, your coin, your education, your heart, your own heart, you are trying to protect it, Cancers. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. And there is pig, be aware of greed. So there is definitely, I think you should take your time in relationships right now. Someone, there may be two people, or someone who is not so honest, or who promises too much but does not fulfill them, maybe near you or coming for you. Unsettled times, need to plan ahead. I definitely feel, see, February was important, so something may have happened in the month of February that caused you hurt and pain, or maybe the coming February of next year is important. Secret admirer is there, they are going to come towards you and express their love towards you. You are on the road to success, so definitely, no matter which path you choose to remain with this person or take your time, you are going to be on the road to success. You are on the path to love and awakening and spiritual clarity. So that's it for now, Cancers. Do subscribe and like and share our channel, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, please visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And friends, this is it for now. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.